Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring the Hotpoint HSFO3T223WXUKN. A slimline dishwasher that promises style, power, and clever features. Let's see if it lives up to the expectations. The Hotpoint HSFO3T223WXUKN comes in a sleek stainless steel finish, making it stand out among slimline dishwashers. If you're tight on space but still want a statement piece, this dishwasher is a great choice. Its design is neat and practical, with all the controls you need and an LCD display showing the selected options and remaining wash time. With 9 programs to choose from, including Eco, Intensive, Mixed Loads, and a 30-minute quick wash, you have plenty of options for different cleaning needs. One standout feature is the Zone Wash 3D, which uses extra water jets to adjust the dishwasher's cleaning performance. It's perfect for a half-load or heavily soiled items, providing either increased wash performance or reduced energy consumption. Inside, the dishwasher offers a standard layout with 2 racks, including a height-adjustable top rack and fold-down wine glass holders. There's flexibility in the bottom rack, with fold-down tines and adjustable holders for larger dishes. In terms of cleaning performance, the Hotpoint HSFO3T223WXUKN impresses with excellent results for most items. Even heavily soiled dishes come out clean, especially when using the Zone Wash 3D feature. However, the running costs are higher compared to full-size dishwashers, which is typical for slimline models. The Eco mode helps reduce costs, but the dishwasher's E rating means it doesn't dry as efficiently. The 30-minute cycle is a great way to save costs for less soiled items, and it still delivers good cleaning results. Considering the stylish design, powerful performance, and clever features, the Hotpoint HSFO3T223WXUKN is an attractive option for those with limited space. While it may not have the lowest running costs, its flexibility and cleaning capabilities make it a sensible choice. If you want to see more dishwasher options, check out our guide to the best dishwashers. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of top-notch products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.